So that birds when you dey see there na infectious coryza na that bird get. Na wetin do am so for eye. So the first approach na to clean that eye. Clean the eye with towel or foam. Clean am gently because e dey pain the bird. So I don clean the eye. After you don clean that eye, you go come add antibiotics because that infectious coryza na bacterial disease dey cause am. So you go give am antibiotics. So see one of them there, Pladit Ciarode. Na antibiotics be that. You fit use am. After that one, you fit use Tyloprin. Those one na antibiotics be that. If you look the indication, they say they cure infectious coryza. See another antibiotics, Tylosuper. Tylosuper too. Another antibiotics be that. See oxytetracycline. Other antibiotics we will use be that. So these now the antibiotics be that. So another one, cough tylo. The antibiotics be that. So after that, you will go on mix am for water for them. If na one bird, you isolate am, treat am. But if dem plenty, mix am for water for them. Na it I dey put so. I wan use Tyloprin. Use Tyloprin with oxytetracycline. So na so you go take do am. So na the simple way wey you go take treat infectious coryza be that. Na so you go. I hope say you enjoy the video. Do am. Thank you as you stay with me to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you for my next video.